In a previous recording or video, I had put a dehumidifier, which is over there, and some of the differences is in the winter time when we're heating our homes, we need to put humidity in, and so in order to do that, we use a humidifier, which in this case works through a filter. We have the controls, we have the fan speed, low, high, medium, and off. We have a light that tells us when we're out of water. And we have a humidistat that physically will regulate the humidity in the air. And normally we'd like to, our body is best with a 50% humidity, but in the winter time our furnace takes all the humidity out in the cold weather because it can't hold as much moisture. So we have to put it in instead of take it out like in the summer. So in order to do that, in this case, we have a tank that holds approximately 2 gallons of water. It has a small cap on the end that when the cap is pushed down, it lets water out and into this area here. So we have 2 of those. We have then, so you see the levels that the water would normally be in. We have in our unit, we have a filter or that physically will soak up the water, and as the water is soaked, air is drawn through it through these vents right here that you can see my hand behind, and the fan motor that is physically in the unit draws air. It sets over the top of this, creating a vacuum. Water is in this area here, which in turn pulls the air through it. As it does, water passes into the air, which gives us the humidity that we're looking for, which makes us feel much more comfortable in the winter time. But notice there is no compressor in this case. So you can also put it in the form of steam. In our case, it's just putting humidity in the air.